Our office is Montana State Government's official representative office based in Taiwan. Our office aims to increase the exports from Montana to attract investment from Taiwan and to promote Montana education and the tourism sectors. For most people here, Montana is famous with its two national parks, Yellowstone and the Glacier National Park. So our work is to let more people know Montana actually also has good industrial environment for advanced manufacturing, bioscience, photonics and optics, on top of its traditional agricultural and the mining sectors. We are very grateful to have this opportunity to be part of NTU's International Mentorship Program, and we are so pleased to have Wilson join our team. When we first joined the program, our intention was just to offer Wilson a chance to begin his career. However, when this program came to the end, we felt we also learned a lot from Wilson, and we have been so impressed with his computer layout and editing skill and abilities. He helped complete a major project for our Montana photographic notebook, which will be used as tokens to our important business contacts. We will also present one to him when it's produced as his farewell gift, which will remind him the good memories working with us.
I want to gain some experience when I'm studying in NTU. I'm interested how the Taiwan's working environment works. When I'm in this office, I learned about how to write a commercial letter and things about exhibition, trade, and I also learned how to skills like typesetting, how to use Photoshop to make some poster. Yeah, I think this program is excellent for students who want to exploring more Taiwan's working environment and gain some experience in Taiwan. So it really worth students to use their summer time for it.
NTU International Mentorship Program, the right path for your career.